Hey Jessica. How are you? Any problem? You are looking so upset.
Do you know? Today, I called Electrician in the morning, but still he cannot receive my call. I am very tensed now. What I am doing, I can't understand.
That's only. Don't worry. Just install one click in your phone and book Electrician online from one click. One click provide you service within 3 hours. You can also book carpenter, plumber, doctor appointments, computer engineer, etc. from one click. You can also book bus tickets, flight tickets, hotel booking, etc.
Really?
From one click. You can book online electrician, carpenter, computer engineer, doctor's appointments, plumber, or many more home services. You can also book bus tickets, flight tickets, hotel booking, camp booking, etc. You can also recharge your mobile phones, DTH recharge. You can also pay your electricity bills and landline bills with one click easily. Download today one click and book all the essential services at just one click.